Lamborghini V12 Vision GT. The V12 Vision Gran Turismo concept, similar to the Egoista, is a single-seater vehicle. However, unlike the Egoista that featured a fully drivable V10 engine, the V12 Vision Gran Turismo incorporates the powertrain from the CN model. To provide easy entry for the driver, the entire cockpit of the car is hinged at the rear, allowing it to open up. When seated, the driver is greeted with an open steering wheel and a projection of necessary dials, taking the concept of a virtual cockpit to the next level. The concept also showcases enlarged Y-shaped taillights that serve as an integral part of the split rear wing styling. Due to its race car nature as a single-seater, the front wheels of the V12 Vision Gran Turismo are completely separated from the cockpit. This design choice enhances airflow around these areas. The front driving lights also feature the Y-shaped design, extending to the edges for added visual impact. Mercedes-Benz Vision EQ Silver Arrow. The Vision EQ Silver Arrow is an impressive all-electric vehicle, boasting a powerful 550 kilowatts 7.5 OPS output. Its advanced engineering includes a slender underbody battery with a capacity of approximately 80 kWh, allowing the Silver Arrow to cover an impressive distance of 400 kilometers on a single charge. Innovative side air vents assist in effectively cooling the battery, ensuring optimal performance. This combination of cutting-edge technology and impressive specifications makes the Vision EQ Silver Arrow a remarkable electric vehicle option. Toyota Concept I. The Toyota Concept I is a groundbreaking vehicle that showcases the latest in technology, design, and performance. With its futuristic features, it aims to elevate the driving experience by offering drivers a more intuitive and responsive journey. Equipped with advanced technology like an artificial intelligence system, autonomous driving capabilities, and cutting-edge safety systems, the Concept I is a true embodiment of innovation. Its sleek and captivating appearance adds to its appeal, making it a standout in the automotive industry. With its sleek exterior, futuristic and spacious interior, advanced electric drivetrain, and cutting-edge autonomous driving and safety features, its innovative technologies are likely to become increasingly common in mainstream cars in the near future, helping to redefine the way we travel and interact with our vehicles. As a concept car, the Toyota Concept I is a testament to Toyota's unwavering commitment to innovation, sustainability, and safety. It sets a new standard for the industry and serves as a clear indication of where the industry is headed. These vehicles will continue to push the boundaries of technological advancement and provide drivers with an exceptional, unparalleled driving experience. Ultimately, the Toyota Concept I is more than just a car. It is a symbol of a brighter, more innovative, and more inspiring future for transportation. BMW Vision Next 100. The BMW Vision Next 100 concept offers two driving modes, fully autonomous and an optional normal mode. These modes are called Ease and Boost, respectively. Each mode has its own interior schemes and layout that will change accordingly. While full technical details are not yet available, it is safe to assume that the propulsion system will involve electricity and zero emissions. In Ease mode, the car is completely self-driving. The steering wheel is hidden away and the chair can swivel to a certain degree, allowing the driver to relax and enjoy the ride. On the other hand, Boost mode changes everything from the interior to the car's characteristics. According to BMW, the car transforms into the ultimate driving machine, with the driver controlling the speed and direction using augmented reality. The car displays the steering points and ideal racing lines from the outside. The car looks futuristic, with many lights and almost no visible wheels. The iconic kidney grille is still present, although it no longer serves as an air intake. Instead, the grille has been repurposed to house all the sensors required for autonomous driving. Mercedes-Benz Vision AVTR. The Mercedes-Benz Vision AVTR is an innovative and futuristic vehicle that is sure to turn heads with its unique design. The car features oval-shaped doors and bulging wheels that are capable of lighting up in various colors, giving it an animalistic vibe. The light strip that runs the length of the car resembles a neural network of a living being, while the 33 moving panels on the roof simulate reptilian scales. In terms of propulsion, the After boasts a powerful 110 kWh battery capacity that allows for an impressive 700 kilometers range on a single charge. However, the most impressive feature is the brain-computer interface technology that allows the car to recognize and respond to the driver's thoughts. By wearing a special electrode on the back of their head, the driver's brain activity can be recorded and measured to determine the car's behavior, such as speed and direction. Interestingly, the After also has the ability to rotate both the front and rear axles in the same or opposite direction, enabling the car to move sideways at a 30-degree angle. Overall, the Mercedes-Benz Vision AVTR is a groundbreaking vehicle that pushes the boundaries of technology and design. Rolls-Royce Vision 100. The Rolls-Royce Vision Next 100 is a stunning concept car that combines futuristic technology and extravagant luxury. Its shimmering silver-green color and oversized fenders give it an otherworldly appearance, while its silhouette retains the iconic Rolls-Royce design elements, such as the vertical grille and spirit of ecstasy. Unlike most of the company's production cars, this prototype is a two-seater with a front-facing sofa bench positioned in the rear cabin. Despite its massive appearance, it is actually shorter than the Phantom extended wheelbase, measuring only 5,900 millimeters in length. The cabin is adorned with traditional luxury materials, including real wood, hand-woven wool carpet, and silk chairs. The Rolls-Royce Vision Next 100 is an all-electric autonomous car powered by two 250 kilowatts motors, one in the front and another in the back. There are no mechanical linkages or controls under the car's long hood, reflecting its modern and revolutionary design. Overall, the Rolls-Royce Vision Next 100 is an awe-inspiring concept car that pushes the boundaries of luxury and technology. Audi Skysphere. The first thing you notice about the Audi Skysphere is its imposing and large footprint, complemented by a striking combination of black and gray, starting with the power source. The Audi Skysphere is an electric vehicle. The electric motor is positioned between the rear wheels, and unlike the all-wheel drive Quattro, it does not distribute power to the front wheels. The motor is incredibly powerful, generating 623 horsepower and 750 nanometers of torque. With this power, the car can go from a complete standstill to 60 miles per hour in just 4 seconds. A unique feature of the Skysphere is its sophisticated mechanism that allows the wheelbase and exterior to extend by 250 millimeters, while also increasing the ground clearance by 10 millimeters. When in Gran touring mode, the Skysphere transforms into a level for autonomous vehicle. The steering wheel folds and the pedals retract into the underside of the dashboard. The interior of the car is minimalist yet modern, featuring a full dashboard screen and additional touch screens integrated into the armrests. Despite the absence of an engine, the hood extends gracefully to the horizon. Audi has replaced the traditional grille with a series of LED lights that illuminate based on the driving mode and various functions of the car, such as turning or unlocking. Mercedes-Benz F015 Luxury in Motion. First showcased at CES Las Vegas in 2015, is not merely a concept car but a research vehicle, as stated by Mercedes-Benz. The unique exterior design of the vehicle combines steel, aluminum, and high-strength carbon fiber materials. Differing from typical four-door sedans, the F015 does not possess a B-pillar, ensuring easy access to the interior for all passengers, as well as providing a more spacious environment inside. Additionally, the car features suicide doors for effortless entry. Operating on pure electric power and hydrogen fuel cell technology, the F015 has a theoretical range of 560 miles before necessitating recharging and refueling. This range can be further optimized by utilizing the self-driving mode and following the recommended settings. In this mode, the steering wheel collapses into the dashboard. The front seats of the F015 have the ability to slide and swivel, allowing for face-to-face communication among all occupants. The car boasts multimedia screens, a total of 5, positioned in unusual locations, including the rear wall and each of the 4 doors. Audi AICON. From a design perspective, the concept Audi AICON doesn't stray too far from the traditional shape of a performance car. However, it still manages to look menacing, aerodynamic, and fast, even when it's not in motion. It boasts 26-inch wheels situated under flared fenders and has a low riding position reminiscent of a sports car. Measuring at 5.4 meters long, the AICON is slightly longer than a long wheelbase 8, allowing Audi to make significant changes to the interior. Instead of a traditional steering wheel or dashboard, the car takes advantage of the spacious room to provide 2 front seats that can swivel and slide, as well as a small rear bench. To power the AICON, 2 electric motors work together to produce a total of 350 horsepower. With a single charge, the battery can last for approximately 500 miles before requiring a recharge. For added comfort during the journey, the AICON is equipped with air suspension and 4-wheel steering, making it suitable for navigating tight spaces or taking shortcuts through crowded cities. The AICON also features an onboard computer called PIA, which is capable of recognizing passengers by their phones. It can adjust vehicle settings based on saved preferences, such as seating position, ambient lighting, and overall cabin comforts. Furthermore, PIA can respond to voice commands for navigation and multimedia, further enhancing the user experience. Mini Vision Next 100. Another vehicle in the Vision Next 100 series is from Mini, which is owned by BMW alongside Rolls-Royce. Mini's concept car in this series focuses on connected digital intelligence. This means that the driver will have the ability to summon or call the car from any location. The car will come to the driver in the desired spot and automatically adjust all settings according to the driver's preferences. The Vision Next measures 3,620 millimeters in length. It offers both manual and autonomous driving capabilities. To allow the car to take control, The driver only needs to slide the steering wheel to the center of the dashboard. There are no detailed specifications available yet, but it is likely that the car will use an electric powertrain made by BMW. The interior of the car allows for customization. The color and ambient lighting can be changed to suit the driver's preferences, and the graphics of the interior can also be adjusted. Mini even offers a customized package to switch the content of the onboard information.